Guys, welcome back to the channel, or should I say welcome me back to my channel. My name's Chris. I'm just another review guy, and we're going to be looking at a new format of review videos that I'm going to start doing. I generally do detail stuff. I'm going to still do it, but how many times can you spray soap? I try to do movie reviews because people said you can make money on that, but honestly, like 75% of the videos I made got a copyright claim. So that's not very viable. So the next thing that I do, and I've been doing this for a couple years, so I'm just going to show you one side hustle that does make money, and how much you can make really depends on your market. So guys, I make these. I make wooden planter boxes made out of cedar fence boards. I sell these all year round, but the biggest time, of course, is spring when people start planting, and then Christmas time when people want gifts. So these I sell for $60 each. I buy my wood from an independent lumber mill, which you should look for as well, because it's cheaper than going to a Home Depot or a Lowe's. Now, you can easily make these if you have a little bit of carpentry skills, but you'll also need, the tools you're going to need is a drill for doing the drain holes. I always treat the top trim just to be nice and make it look nice over time. You'll need a reciprocating saw, measuring tape, of course, brad nailer. We use brad nails to put it together, 1-inch nails. I use a sander for sanding the trim before I apply the acrylic on it. You're also going to need a compressor, of course, to run the air gun, and you're going to need a table saw to obviously cut the wood, to rip it. I'm not going to go in the... So yeah, guys, depending on your market, you can make decent money on a side hustle building planter boxes. How much can you make? Really depends on where you're at, how saturated your market is. My market in the Portland area is really saturated at the moment. It gets worse every year, so my sales go down every year. But if you like these kind of videos on how to make money, because who the hell doesn't want to make money in this country, right? Everything's so expensive. I'm going to start reviewing a lot of YouTubers that claim to make money through vibe coding, because I've been vibe coding, making apps for the App Store. So I'm going to do those kind of reviews as well. But I'm going to start reviewing people that say make 10,000 in 2 days, make with Claude. All right, well, let's see if you can actually do that. I'm not going to call out particular YouTubers because, hey, they got their hustle, right? They're trying to monetize an idea that chat gave them. And they're trying to monetize it and using their branding to do so. And it's all good. Good on them. So that's the new path of the channel. If you like that, and I'll throw some detailed stuff in the mix. But if you like that kind of stuff and you want to see if this actually works, then subscribe, give me a like, let me know what you would like to see done and if it works so you can do it. I'm going to be very transparent on if it makes money or not. And I'm also going to go through and show some of the projects I've done. Have a lot of free websites you can use, like for ASO, invoice creating for contractors or service people. And I'll display those and show them in videos as well. So guys, thanks for watching. And I can't wait to put more content up. Y'all have a good day. Peace.